Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to start a digital art business with DeviantArt easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start a digital art business on DeviantArt, begin by creating an account. Visit the DeviantArt website and click on the Join button. Fill out the required information to set up your profile. Once you have your account, customize your profile with a profile picture and a bio that reflects your art style. Next, create a portfolio of your best digital artworks. Upload these artworks to your DeviantArt gallery. Ensure each piece has an appropriate title, description, and relevant tags to improve visibility. Consider setting commissions or prints options if you wish to sell your art. Familiarize yourself with the platform's community guidelines and rules to avoid any issues. Engage with other artists and members by commenting on their work. Join groups related to your art style to reach a broader audience. Share your art process and tips through journal entries or tutorials to establish your expertise. Promote your DeviantArt page on your other social media platforms. Network with fellow artists and participate in contests to gain exposure. Evaluate your pricing strategy for your artwork and commissions. Consistently upload new content to keep your audience engaged. Track your progress and learn from the feedback you receive. Stay updated with DeviantArt features and community events to enhance your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.